Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a mini haul from Ulta. And I just picked up a little few goodies that I wanted, that I saw that I wanted. Um, so let's get started. First, let's start with the Jeffree Star Morphe Star. Now this, I just wanted to try it, so I went ahead and bought it. So let me open it and spray it. Smells good. It doesn't have a bad smell to it at all. It don't smell like strawberries, but it has a nice smell to it. So I also picked up the Gingerbread Extra Spicy. I already owned the first one. It came out last year, and then repeated itself in the July one for Christmas in July. So this is what this one looks like. I'm not gonna swatch this because this has been already featured on some other YouTube channels. That is what it looks like, and it smells. It don't smell like gingerbread. Let me smell again. It's like vanilla cookies. That's what it smells like. Vanilla, hot vanilla cookies. Alright. So I picked up this here also for BH Cosmetics for summer in Tropez. I just wanted to try it because I haven't bought anything from BH Cosmetics in almost a year. I've been waiting on their Zodiac one for the month of October for Scorpios. Then I'm gonna get that plus the old palette that's already been out for a while. So this is what this looks like. Let's watch here. Not that. Alright, that's what that looks like. So let's go over here to Paradise. Very good pigmentation. Alright. So let's go for the Norvina Volume 1, I do believe. I bought Volume 2. This is Volume 1. As soon as I can get it out. There we go. Alright. Let's see, these nails are keeping me from really opening it. There we go. So that is what it looks like. So let's go with C3. Isn't that pretty? So pigmented. Alright, let's go with D4. Look at that blue. It's just so shiny. There it is. I like it. So those are the colors. Very pretty. Well, then most of ABH palettes tend to be very nice and well pigmented. Alright, so because I ordered from them, they sent me this here free gift. Let's see if we get this open. Something else in there? Yep. Cool. Alright, so we got the Too Faced Apricot in the Act. I guess these are blushers. Let's see here. Yeah, blush. Also the Hangover RX Face Primer. The Better Than Sex Mascara. What else is there? Better Than Sex Eyeliner. Okay, cute, cute, cute. So I also picked these here up on Ulta. This is the Makeup Revolution Halloween themed makeup, but I'm not gonna use it for Halloween because I don't celebrate Halloween. So I'm gonna use these for everyday wear. So let me show you what this one looks like. So pretty. Look at that. And that's what that looks like. It's okay. So let's do the lipstick. And what color is this? I can't see it. Oh, it's Vampire's Thirst on Ulta. And that's what that looks like. Very pretty. I like dark lipsticks to begin with. Almost like a gothy feel to it. It's so pretty to me. So they also sent this here to me for free. Let's see if I can get this bad boy out. So that's what it looks like. It's a miniature all-nighter from Urban Decade for the spray, facial setting spray. Yep. And I also picked up this Morphe concealer. So let's see what it does here. This should work for concealing. That's what it looks like. Now, I am going to note that the highlighter, this is what it, once it's settled in and dried, this is what it looks like now. So it's very pretty. So I was on eBay and I decided to pick this brush up. Isn't it just so cute? I like it. Yeah, I like it. So I'll put it to my collection. So that was my miniature haul from Ulta, and thank you for watching. Now, depending on when you're watching this, have a good morning, good evening, or good night, and God bless.